Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the OPW Heavyweight Champion, the bad boy, Joey Janela.
Thank you, Joey.
And give it up to True Blood. Joey, 1 year as champion. Thank you, brother. Over a year now. Blood. That was a hell of a match, man. Thank you for everything you've done for this company. It's about time you got your title shot. It was a hell of a war, hell of a battle. Thank you for everything, Drew. Give it up for the Drew Blood. I know you left it all in the ring, you left it all on the line for the richest prize in this company, and I can't thank you enough, Drew.
Thank you, Drew. Oh, hey. What? You should fight his cheeks out of your mind. What an asshole.
Hey.
Yo.
Dude, what's going on, dude? I don't know. You tell me.
I tried to get out there and try to, I tried to get, explain to you, it wasn't personal, Matt. You got there gloating saying you had a great match. I understand I had a great match. I said, though, I would apologize, and he shut me off. It wasn't a great match. I didn't freaking win the belt, Matt. It's the only opportunity I had. I waited 1 whole year to tap out to Joey. I fought hard. Like,
What? What, blood?
You like blew me off, man. Like, I didn't blow you off on purpose. You gave me a minute to breathe out there, Matt. Oh, man, to sell shit, in the ring, then, huh? You got a problem? You not shake your hand? Is that it?
Yeah, after all we've been through, yeah.
Yeah. All right, well, we'll settle it the old-fashioned way. You and Cannonball want to be a tag team now? Take on me and Dev.
What the fuck just happened?
You're always up for a fight. What the hell you care? You're always on the apron anyway.
All right. Looks like I'm riding the apron in the fucking third. See you on the third, blood.